This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a toolkit for all YouTubers alike, with advanced metrics and functionality within YouTube itself, including things like bulk syndication and other bulk updating tools. TubeBuddy is the best video manager for you. Want to try it yourself? Click the link down below to get a free trial. Also consider signing up for Talency, with TubeBuddy Pro included.
I love creating content on YouTube, but something about live streaming takes the content creation game to a whole other level. Having to create something entertaining on the fly that keeps that viewer count up and also not panicking in the early stages when that same viewer count drops from 20 down to 10 takes a special level of patience and determination. 2018 is the year of the live streamers. With the rise of Twitch from the likes of Ninja and his ability to ride the Fortnite scene off into the sunset, all the way to my favorite streamer of all time, Lyric, still kicking it and feeling like I'm just sitting around watching a friend play a video game. But you know, with the rise of something, there's always an influx of potential streamers. And today, I'm going to be reviewing a product that all of you streamers out there should be taking advantage of or consider doing. And also, even if you're just someone out there who wants to take their productivity on their PC to the next level, this piece of tech could actually help you out with that as well. Introducing to you the Elgato Stream Deck. Let's get right into it, shall we? The Elgato Stream Deck is a 15 LCD keypad that is fully customizable. How exactly? Well, the Stream Deck uses built-in integrations with popular streaming software and utilities to allow you to have a single place to execute them all. Technically, a macro pad on steroids. Now, the build quality of this unit fits the price tag. No, it's not fully metal and able to withstand all abuse, but it's really well put together. The body is plastic and the keys are made out of a silicone type material. Let's talk about those keys for a second. The keys are the main focal point of the Stream Deck, of course, and no, they do not disappoint, and yes, they are as satisfying as they appear to be on camera. They have a very responsive feel to them. It doesn't compare to anything like a mechanical keyboard switch by any means, but it's still very satisfying. The individual LCD screens on this have good brightness and color. The one downside is that there is a glare issue with the icons if you're looking at it at any sort of an angle, which is a big downside because of the included stand. First up, let's talk about that cable. The cable on this unit is, well, kind of disappointing. I overall love the build quality of this product, but the cable seems to be the weakest point. Yes, this product is meant to stay on a desk, but for anyone with an animal in their house, this cable would be the first thing to go with how thin it is from a single cat bite. A perfect solution would be a detachable cable, so you could actually move your Stream Deck easily between multiple systems without having to move the cable around, and also be able to replace it in the case that it might die. Use something like a USB Type-C to USB Type-B cable and you're good to go. Now onto the software. Inside the Elgato Stream Deck software, you're able to customize every aspect of the device. You can create links to different actions within programs and sites like Twitch, Mixer, and even YouTube. All of these are being constantly updated and new features are being added as well. There are some default icons for certain actions that you may use, but you can customize the icons to whatever you want. You can make it within Photoshop, or Elgato has a website that you can actually customize your own, download and upload to your Stream Deck. This allows you to be able to look at your Stream Deck and know exactly what you're doing at a glance and perform the functionality. One thing I want to see in a future update on the Stream Deck is the ability to have the icons rotate. The Stream Deck in its current state is really hard to see with the stand that I mentioned at the beginning of this review. The angle is really not that good, and I would much rather be able to mount the Stream Deck to my monitor, the very bottom part of my monitor, so I could just click on it and be able to do my functionality. But the downside is the fact that the Stream Deck, to be able to do something like that, you would have to rotate it upside down. And yes, I could throw all the icons into Photoshop and invert them, but that's a really extra step to take. That's something I would definitely recommend Elgato consider. But in conclusion, is this thing really needed to get started in live streaming? No, but is it vital in taking your streams to the next level and creating a much more fluid and professional stream? Yes. The Elgato Stream Deck is a piece of gear that has a price point to reflect that. It is a piece of gear. You're investing in a piece of hardware that's going to help take your professional career to the next level. It is more than justifiable in my eyes due to the quality that it brings and the features that it has with really no competition in the plug-and-play market. You could go for something like a normal macro pad, but you don't get the integrations that the Stream Deck does offer. And if you want to see how I customize my Stream Deck, check the link in the description down below. That will link you to a live stream that I did where I basically went over exactly how my Stream Deck is set up, and you can see exactly what I do with it and kind of dive deeper into the software. And that about wraps this video up here, guys. If you like this video, leave a like down below and comment Stream Deck in the comment section down below if you made it this far. If you're interested in picking up the Elgato Stream Deck, I will leave a link in the description down below. Special thanks to Elgato for sending over this device for review. And if you're interested in seeing more content based around Elgato's products, comment down below. I would love to work with them on different projects. Be sure to follow us on Twitter if you're new, join our Discord community, and subscribe for more content from the Toasty Bros. Hope to see you on the next video, guys. Peace out.